At a trade show, every minute counts, and every decision you make at the event matters. Manage your event, grow revenue, and engage attendees, all from one platform. It all starts with the show floor. The MYS Floor Plan Builder lets you design layouts, assign booths, and optimize your space with ease. From there, MYS Sales Pro makes it easy for exhibitors to find the right booth, purchase sponsorships, and on-platform advertising. Want to drive more revenue for your show? Use our exhibitor engagement team to drive more digital sales through targeted outreach. More options for exhibitors, more revenue for your show. MYS integrates with CRMs, payment processors, and association management systems, so your team can stay focused on what actually moves the needle. Leading up to show day, the Exhibitor Resource Center keeps exhibitors on track so they arrive fully prepared. One place, every task, every deadline. And for exhibitors ready to turn the event into real business, Map Your Show's AI-powered sales accelerator technology delivers targeted insights, prioritized leads, and personalized outreach, converting connections into closed deals. Does your show include education? The MYS Conference Management module handles it all: speaking proposals, scheduling, and promoting sessions. On show day, the MYS mobile app puts the entire event in the attendees' hands. Navigate the show floor, find exhibitors, and stay up to date in real time. MYS Connected takes the attendee personalization to the next level. The built-in AI assistant Ask Lena optimizes agendas, builds their day, maps the smartest route to the show floor, and turns intelligent matchmaking into real meetings. No guesswork, just the right connections at the right time. For exhibitors, this means higher quality leads, real intent data, and more sales in the pipeline. Behind the scenes, MYS Insights tracks your show's performance in real time to help you predict revenue, manage risk, and strengthen your bottom line. When the door to your show closes, post-event reporting gives you full picture insights to make your next show even better. From opening countdown to closing recap, Map Your Show is your technology partner every step of the way. Want to see what's possible? Visit mapyourshow.com.